Hello and welcome back to another video of me in the garage. Seems to be where I start every video, just because, well, it's sunny outside and I'll just get blinded. So yeah, start in the garage. Well, let's walk out. So yeah, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Do have a bit of an update, and the M4 sold, so there's no more videos with that. However, there is a replacement, and I'm looking at the replacement right now. Not much different, but it is at the same time. I'm not going to draw this out, I'll just show you. So here it is. It is a BMW F80 M3, so it looks exactly the same as the M4 because, well, basically it is. Same chassis, same engines, just got 2 extra doors. Obviously you can see this one needs paint corrected really badly. Oh, look at the puppy. He is a big puppy now. Yeah, so it badly needs detailed. Yeah, so that's on the list of things to do. But apart from the obvious, it's red. It is Ferrari red, so quite a rare colour. It has the option blinds in the back, keyless entry, leather dash, which is what I mainly wanted. It's got a black interior opposed to the white interior of the M4. There you go, some stuff in there. It's got the M Performance exhaust on it. See that. And apart from that, oh, it's also got a faded badge, but that can easily be fixed. Apart from that, it's pretty much the same, and as you can see, it is lowered. I had it lowered slightly, just because I wanted it done. And the other reason for not having many videos up recently is I hurt myself skiing. So I fell and buggered my knee. So I couldn't walk for about a month. That was about 3 months ago. And this is me just kind of getting back to walking properly. So that was fun. Yeah, couldn't drive either. So, and I bought the car just before that happened. So I've had the car for about 3 months now. So it's been a while. And yeah, just wanted to get it lowered. Had the springs there for it, so just got a garage to do it for me. Saves doing it. So yeah, but there's still plenty to do on it. So today what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to clean the inside, because it smells like someone's been vaping or something in there, and I don't know. It doesn't smell good. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but I'm going to take the front seats out, and I've got a wet vac, clean it all properly, get it all nice fresh in there. So hopefully that'll help. So nice wee simple video today. Probably won't be a long one, but just something, show you the car, and just something about it. There will be a detailing video for it as well. I do have other wheels. I have comp wheels for it. That is not a comp, but I bought comp wheels. Just something a bit kind of not as flashy just now, because obviously it's bright red, so it is flashy already. So yeah, just something subtle. So yeah, they're black as well, so very subtle. And apart from that, any other updates? The Golf, it is abandoned right now. Not in a bad way, just there's an issue with the wheels, so I'm just trying to get that rectified, and they're just off the car right now, so I'm not driving it. I've got the standard wheels on it, and it looks kind of boring, so that's the only reason. Yeah, I did lots of mods to the M4 that I haven't shown in videos yet. I had issues with the footage. When it was recording, my phone filled up and just stopped recording halfway through, so that was fun. So there's just basically big patches in it, and I've not felt like I want to upload that. If there is something I can upload of that, I will, so you might see the M4 again. But apart from that, I will probably put everything on the M3, because there was lots of bits that you didn't see, and they all fit on there, and I do have them. So yes, they will be in videos to come. So yeah, enough talking for now. That's a lot of talking. So yeah, let's just get to the interior.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the...
So there we have the first seat out. Actually, it doesn't look too bad out of here, but it's when you get close, just there's loads of shit that I need to hoover up and clean it properly. It's not too bad though. Got carbon backs on there, which looks good. And the only annoying bit was there is the seat belt goes into here. On the M4 it was different, it went into the floor of the car, but on here it goes into the seat. So just took that out, which wasn't too bad. And now we've got a nice empty bit of space. So hoover this up and then I'll get the wet vac out and clean it properly. Get it all nice and fresh in there.
PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute.
So I have just finished using the wet vac. As you can see, obviously I just put some stripes in there because why wouldn't you if you could? So done the front and back, and this back bit was disgusting. There was actually a mat missing when I bought the car. It still is a mat missing because the garage never sent it. We clean this now, but yeah, so mat was missing, so it's disgusting there. Lots of dirt came out. Actually, let's look at, it'll be this side again. So there you can see the disgusting water that's coming out. Let's see if we can pop this off, better look. That. So yeah, not nice at all, but glad it's out there. So done that, time to clean down the plastics, and then I'll take the driver's seat out and do the same. Luckily it's a nice day as well, so just I'll open the windows and I'll help it dry a bit more as well, because obviously it doesn't dry perfectly with the wet vac. But yeah, so far so good. Just using a wee bit of carpet, if I can speak. Just using a bit of carpet detergent here, so it's helping lift it all and clean it up nicely, so hopefully it should be nice and fresh afterwards. So let's crack on to the next side.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in.
So that is me now finished, and I'm just sitting in the back of the car now because I'm going to show you. Obviously I showed you throughout the clips, but I have done both sides, as you can see, nice and clean. Even got the wee sort of lines in there just to be a bit extra. Last thing to do is obviously put the seats back in, and I'm going to clean the mats as well, just the same method. A couple of things I used was, I used this for the roof, just in case someone's smoked in the car or something previously. So just sprayed that on there lightly and just gave that a rub with a cloth, just to kind of soak it in a wee bit and not obviously oversaturate it because that would be bad. Another thing was Any from Starnagloss, I think that's how you say it, but I used that just for the trims around here, just to clean it all up, as they were a bit tatty. But yeah, all cleaned up, and just in case of putting the seats back in. Obviously with the seats it's quite easy, it's just those 4 bolts, and then on the side, which did throw me a bit of a curveball, was this one where the seat belt goes into, where on the M4 it was like a little bar down here that the seat belt went into, so you never actually had to disconnect that. So yeah, figured that out, pretty simple, just a wee bit of plastic covering that, and then same bit for like same size head as these bolts, so nice and easy. There's a plane going over, so I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, all cleaned up, and just need to put the seats in. But for that, I am going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. There's a reason I'm keeping the seats out, so that'll be in the next video, which I'll probably upload next week or something. So yeah, stay tuned for that. There's a reason the seats are still out, and I would say it's not one to miss. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye.